In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manipulate Canva shapes and lines. Let's start by opening your design in Canva so you can see your canvas and any existing elements you are working with. Next, head to the Elements tab and choose Shapes. This is your library of basic building blocks: circles, squares, rectangles, triangles, and simple lines that you can use to structure layouts. Call out key information or create quick graphics. Once you've added a shape to your canvas, click it to customize its look. Use the color option to change the fill so it matches your design. You'll see swatches and a color picker, making it easy to keep things consistent. Then look for the border style shown as a line icon in the toolbar. Here, you can turn on a border, adjust its weight to make it thinner or thicker, and fine-tune corner rounding. Increasing rounding softens rectangles and squares, which can make callouts and buttons feel more approachable. To resize, grab the corner handles and drag. Corners scale the shape proportionally, keeping circles perfectly round and squares perfectly square. If you want to elongate a shape, use the side handles. Those pill-shaped handles let you stretch the width or height independently. This is especially handy for creating banners, dividers, or accent blocks. For lines, the same idea applies. Drag the end handles to change the length or angle without altering the style you've already set. Adding text is just as simple. Double-click directly on a shape to type. This keeps your message anchored to the shape and makes it easy to move them together. Use the toolbar to format the text, adjust the font size, color, and alignment so it's readable and on brand. You can also change the padding in the toolbar. Increasing padding adds breathing room between the text and the shape's edge, which improves legibility and gives your design a cleaner, more professional look. If you decide a different look would fit better, you don't have to start over. Select your shape and click the shape icon in the toolbar to swap it for another, such as changing a circle to a square. Canva will keep your size, color, and border settings intact, so you can quickly audition different shapes without losing your work. That's it. Thanks for watching.